This video shows the Dutch Navy rescuing a German ship from Somali pirates.
The threat of piracy to shipping routes is as present today as it ever has been. With high levels of activity in the Gulf of Guinea, Gulf of Aden, Arabian Sea and Malay Peninsula. With piracy incidents on the increase and an ever-present threat, it's unsurprising that over 50% of vessel operators have a lack of confidence in their current defences. An industry standard document, Best Management Practices, generally referred to as BMP4, sets out a layered defence approach for vessels entering or transiting high-risk areas. BMP4 presents three fundamental requirements for ship and safety of personnel. Vessel registration with the relevant Maritime Security Centre. Daily position reporting when operating within the high-risk areas. Implementation of ship protection measures. There are many forms of passive and active ship protection measures available to ship operators, including increasing vessel speed, evasive manoeuvring, overside water sprays, pre-installed barriers around deck areas, onboard armed guards, and provision of secure citadels in the event that the vessel is boarded. With all risks and hazards, it is best to neutralise them as early as possible and not to have to rely on the later defence measures. As a means of providing vessels with a functional and logistically efficient perimeter barrier, Global Shield Tech have complemented their existing REPEL barrier system with REPEL Flat-Pak. In common with Global Shield Tech's existing rigid barrier system, the primary purpose of REPEL Flat-Pak is to prevent pirates from boarding a vessel. However, its design and construction architecture have been specifically developed to minimize storage and logistic requirements associated with rigid barrier systems. The REPEL barrier, in addition to presenting a visual deterrent, creates an inaccessible and insurmountable barricade around the deck of a ship. Recent piracy events in high-risk areas of the oceans has shown that assailants employ ladders, grappling hooks, ropes, and climbing poles as their means of gaining access to a ship. Because of its shape and material selection, Global Shield Tech have demonstrated by realistic and extensive testing by ex-UK Special Forces that these access methods can be defeated by installation of the REPEL Flat-Pak barrier. REPEL Flat-Pak is the next generation of barrier, providing the same level of protection as rigid units, excelling in performance whilst vessels are underway, in port or at anchor. Constructed from flat sheets, the barrier is produced from a lightweight, robust material that is secured to handrails with webbing straps. Barrier sections can be installed and removed quickly and safely by members of the vessel crew without the need for tools, lifting and handling equipment. REPEL Flat-Pak requires minimum storage space both on land or on vessels and eliminates the need for large warehousing facilities, yards and large deck areas for storing or holding materials. REPEL Flat-Pak requires as little as 5% of the storage space when compared to other anti-boarding solutions. Inter-ship or ship-to-shore transfer of the materials is made simple using our bespoke flatbed transit frame. The nature of REPEL Flat-Pak's design allows for customization to protect around fair leads and other non-standard ship features. It is possible to demobilize barriers and store them on board when a vessel departs from a high-risk area or in preparation for inclement weather and high seas. The REPEL Flat-Pak barrier is maintenance-free, and by nature of the design, each section of barrier has an integral freeing port to clear water from the deck. The safety and security of any vessel's crew and cargo is top priority. Global Shield Tech's REPEL Flat-Pak anti-boarding, anti-piracy shipside shield has been proven by rigorous testing to be an effective shipside barrier. The barrier is safe to handle and easy to fit, making it a cost-effective defense against pirate attacks, giving you better peace of mind to conduct business with a greater level of security in high-risk locations. REPEL Flat-Pak barrier is the next generation of anti-boarding, anti-piracy and shipside shield.